What's up everybody, today we're gonna open and unboxing the iPhone 6. This is the 2018. I brought it, so it's gold. Yeah, it's gold type of iPhone. Yeah, it's look quite nice. Yeah, so I'm gonna unboxing. Yeah, 32 gig of RAM, 32 gig of ROM, ROM. Yeah, mostly iPhones 1 gig of RAM, maybe. But I heard about 6s plus, 6s or 6s plus, mostly up to 2 RAM or maybe more than that. So okay, open the box and you see, yeah, quite nice, this iPhone. Yeah, let's take a clear look on it. Yes, brand new. Yeah, it's gold. So the cost about so let me open the power button. Okay, here's Apple logo when it turns on, power on. So here is the warranty paper sheet, and the inside of this thing we have the tool for the SIM card to open up the SIM card, and this is the earphone and the let me put the earphone, and yes, the wire for the charging the phone. So let's put all back, and yeah, put it aside. Let's take a clear look at the iPhone 6 2018. So we're not gonna set up everything now, so we're gonna take a review. Yeah, maybe it's a little bit slow system. Okay, we have not inserted the SIM card allowed. Okay, so let's take a quick look in this feature. So let me show you. Yeah, it is smooth when you touch the screen is smooth. So it's compatible with other phone. It's different. iPhone is totally smooth, and yeah, we're gonna just see about phone. We're gonna see, yeah, this iOS 11. It's iOS 11. So nice. Okay, so go back and see what we have in iOS 11. Yeah, we have new wallpapers here. Yeah, mostly the same. We're not gonna care about the wallpapers now. Okay, let's go home and see what we have. So if not, we'll go to calculator. Yeah, the calculator is changed when the iOS 10 calculator is different than that. So when the updates goes, the button of the calculator goes round. Okay, so yeah, here is the S2 Touch. Okay, here's a Siri. Well, I don't have Wi-Fi, so can't activate, can't function. So here is the body. Look quite nice. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, maybe you can get this iPhone more cheaper in Malaysia. When you get it, you get almost 1,021 ringgit. Yeah, let's test the camera. It's look quite clear than the iPhone 5 compared to. So I'm gonna take my iPhone 6, another iPhone 6, put it front, and take a clear capture on it. Yes. Okay, we're gonna focus on it, and here we go. Oops. 3, 2, 1. Nice. So let's take a look at the picture. Yeah, it's quite clear. Not bad. Yeah, anyways. Yeah, it's just a normal camera. It's definitely clear. It's not bad. Can use for, yeah, this. So if you like my video, please put a like button, and thanks for watching. See you next time.